Hey guys, what's up? It's Scholar85 back, another unboxing. And this time, as you can see, it's for Ride Free on the Xbox One. So yeah, I picked this up today in a game for £30. So yeah, really looking forward to playing it. So obviously, as you can see on the front, there's a nice Ducati. There's the cover bike. So yeah, I don't know what one it is. I'm not really hot on bikes, but yeah, I do like bike racing games and all that. So yeah. So there's side, Ride Free, and there's the back, collect, customise, race. There's only 21 gig in store, which is good. It's Xbox One X, high dynamic range and single player. So yeah, and inside you get just a disc and nothing else. So yeah, that's my rather quick unboxing of Ride Free on the Xbox One, guys. If you like this, please do be sure to check out my other videos. But for now, guys, I'll catch you later. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.